welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today I'm unboxing all 3 of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I debated on doing this because it's a bit after when they released the mystery boxes, which was Black Friday, but I also wanted to go over this in case they ever did it again, or if you wanted to see what products I got, if you wanted to see a review on it, all of that kind of stuff. So I did decide to do this. But before I unbox everything, I have some notes of some stuff. So I wanted to point out, I ordered this 3 minutes after they launched it on their website, and I was part of that group of people that got the free lipsticks. So I'll get into those in a second. But I wanted to also point out that they shipped everything separately. So I ordered it November 22nd, Black Friday, the free lipsticks on December 1st. I got the biggest box, the ultimate, on December 9th. I got the second box, which is the Deluxe Box, December 11th. And I got the last box December 13th. Let's start off with the free lipsticks. So I was working Black Friday, so I could not order this myself. I got my boyfriend to order it for me. I wrote down everything for him to do. He chose the lipsticks, and I wish he would do this video with me because he can kind of explain kind of what went on during the ordering process. I only know the waiting process and unboxing. So we did get a free lipstick with every box. So he got Flamethrower, I'm Royalty, and Watermelon Soda in the Velour liquid lipstick. So the only one that I've tried is Flamethrower because it's an orange lipstick. Of course, I have to try an orange lipstick. I freaking love orange. And then for some reason, if you're new to my channel, I don't really like pink lipstick, but my boyfriend really likes me wearing pink lipstick. So he got me the Watermelon Soda, which is a pink. The last one is I'm Royalty, which is a royal purple kind of shade, and I have not used this one yet. So those are the 3 lipsticks that I got. Let me start off with the premium box, which is about this big. I have my address on the back side, so I'm not going to show you guys that. But this is how big the premium box is, and it is $30. So the first thing in here that I see is the Jeffree Star Velour lip liner in androgyny. So this is what androgyny looks like. It has a little sticker on it. The androgyny sticker right here was kind of coming off. It looks like this. It's actually pretty big lip liner. LOL. Let's compare the Kat Von D lip liner to Jeffree Star's. So here's a little comparison. LOL. Okay, I'm done with that. So androgyny lip liner. I'll also swatch it. Ooh, they're so soft. That's what androgyny looks like. I have a double. So I have the I'm Royalty Velour liquid lipstick, and I am gonna put this to the side and not use it because I plan on using that other one. And then I also have Flamethrower as a double. I'm gonna put that one aside. And I have the Lip Ammunition lipstick in Baby Spice. Oh, cool. So that's what the Lip Ammunition looks like. Oh, and it looks like a nice pinky nude. Ooh, those two together would be kind of cool. Well, that's the Baby Spice right there. And then I got a Jeffree Star pop socket, which I do not like pop sockets personally. So I'm gonna put this aside. I got the Skin Frost in Mint Condition. I believe I have another one. My boyfriend opened the other one, so I think I have another one, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. So that is all for the premium box. So you get the regular Skin Frost are $29, and this whole box was $30. So honestly, I'm happy with just this and this being in there, considering the lip ammunitions are $18 and this is $29. So even these two alone are a pretty good deal. And then the pop socket, I do not know how much this is, but if I do, I'll leave it down in the description box. And the lip liner is $16. So 16, 18, 18, 29. I don't know how much the pop socket is. So, I mean, all of this for $30. I'm not mad at that. Not at all. That's a really good deal. Especially if you're new to Jeffree Star. I think that's a really good way on trying out the product. And now on to the Deluxe Box. So it is a whole lot bigger than the premium one. So this is the $80 Deluxe Box and the $30 premium box. They're pretty different. We got another pop socket. There is the lip ammunition in Jeffree's Girl. I wish I had Jessie's Girl. Wow, they're like a hair of a difference. So this one's a little bit more of a Barbie pink, and the one in the other box is a little bit more of like a muted pink. I got watermelon soda again. I got the Velour liquid lipstick in Delicious. Ooh, this one is really pretty. It's like a muted kind of purpley gray, right up my alley. And then we have another lip ammunition. This one is in Allegedly. I can, oh, also look at this packaging. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, and it's got glitter all over it. Ooh. So this is the other one. I definitely like this one more. Really like this one. It's a little bit more of like an orangey, nudie brown, but this is Allegedly at the bottom. Then we got the Velour liquid lipstick in Baby Daddy. Oh, and this is a nude. I want to say like a taupey brown nude, but it's right there. And then next we have the Velour liquid lipstick in this collection. I don't remember what it's called. But we have the shade Fudge Pop, which is like a super metallic brown. Ooh, and then that's that one right there. Fudge Pop. And then we have the Skin Frost in Regina George. It's a little bit hard to swatch. It seems like there's some kind of like layer. Like I'm really digging my finger in this. Well, that's what Regina George looks like in the bottom there. I think it just has some kind of like, it's been sitting there a little bit too long and needs to get that like outer layer off. And then we have another Skin Frost in Dark Horse. Ooh, that one is so pretty. Oh yeah, this one is so much softer than Regina George. So I think Regina George has just a little bit of like a layer on top of it. Oh my Jesus, look how freaking pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this as a bronzer the whole summer. If you don't think that I'm truthful about that, you just wait. We have a tie-dye Jeffree Star t-shirt that says hashtag Jeffree Star approved, which looks like this. And then this is what the back looks like. It's really soft. Like I feel like it's softer than the shirt that I'm wearing right now. I will definitely wear this out. Let's go over this box really fast. So we have the Jeffree Star t-shirt. They run about $30. We have the two Skin Frost highlighters, which are $29 each. So these two together are like $60. And then the t-shirt is $30. Not only did we get that, we got 3 Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, which are $18 each. And the 2 lip ammunitions, which are $18 as well. And we got the double of the watermelon soda, which is the Velour liquid lip. So $18. So I think this is a really good deal for getting all of that stuff for $80. I don't know how to do this big one. We have the Big Daddy. Takes up literally the whole camera. So the biggest one is $175. First thing that I see is a lip ammunition in the color Unicorn Blood. Ooh, that's pretty. So there is unicorn blood right here. I have a double of Baby Daddy. I'll put that aside. And I have the shade Can't Relate, which I do have already from the Alien collection, so I'm gonna put this aside. And I have the Velour liquid lipstick in Diamond. Whoa, it's like a periwinkle blue. Oh, that is so pretty. So there is Diamond right there. I'm super excited about that one. We have another pop socket. 3 pop sockets. Ooh, we have the Supreme Frost highlighter in Frozen Peach. Oh wow, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's magnet. God bless. Ooh, this is so soft. Wow, I'm so impressed by how soft this is. This is so pretty. It's down at the bottom. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see, but I kind of want to put some on right now because I don't have any highlighter on. All right, I'm gonna look into the mirror. Ooh, it is so perfect for my skin tone. I might have to buy some more of these. I am so happy about this. We have a Skin Frost highlighter in King Tut. Ooh, open. This is why I like magnetics. Okay, wow. So there's King Tut. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's swatch it down here. Oh my god. These two are gonna be my favorite for the summer. So there's the Dark Horse and King Tut. These are gorgeous. And then we have Mint Condition, and I will be swatching this one. I do have another one, and I wiped off my finger. Oh my god! Oh lordy. That is so freaking stunning. This is so pretty. Look at it on my finger. Oh Lord, those are so pretty together. So these kind of remind me of Minted Mojito and Sandcastle by Fenty Beauty. Let me swatch them next to each other so I can... I'm kind of curious. So here is Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. Okay, so the bottom two is Fenty Beauty and this is Jeffree Star. So the Jeffree Star ones are a lot more, like this one is a lot more minty. This one is a little bit more icy. And this one is a lot more warm toned than that one. It's a little bit more of like a taupe, and this one is a warm brown. Oh, so then we have a third one of the flamethrower. We have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics t-shirt. I love this color. And this one has a little bit different material than the last t-shirt. The last t-shirt felt like more of a t-shirt. This one feels like a luxury athletic brand, where it feels more of that like athletic clothing kind of feel. I don't know. Do you know what I'm talking about? And we have a hoodie. Yes! This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetic hoodie. This is what it looks like, and the inside of the hoodie is so soft and it's thick. This is a heavy hoodie, which I'm so happy for because it's freaking cold. At the bottom of the box, the last thing, if I can figure out how to open it. All right, ooh, and I got the color red. Yes. All right, so this is what that looks like. Oh, this is nice. Now I can kind of do my makeup tutorials without like staring off. And oh my gosh, and I forgot to say my boyfriend stole this out of the box because like I mentioned earlier, he opened it. But in the biggest box, the ultimate box, I also got the Velour lip scrub in grape soda, and grape soda is my boyfriend's favorite, so he's been using this like crazy. I had to go and steal it, but it smells literally like a slushie. It smells so good. I don't blame him, but he's been digging into it a bit there. I'm super excited that I can actually play with everything now. So, now that I have all these swatches on my hands, and I also need to put all of this in a giveaway. Giveaway coming soon, but I have all of these as either doubles or triples. So I have the mint condition, Baby Daddy, Can't Relate, Flamethrower, Twice, Watermelon Soda, and I'm Royalty, all for a giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can hit my goals and do a giveaway for you guys. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see a video using all of these, using some of these. If there's anything in particular that you want to see, please let me know in the comments below. Also, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and found it helpful. And I will have everything listed down below that I got, and prices. All of that stuff will be in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe again. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.